Okay, here's the Coolster.
Thing's weird.
This is the relay right here. Right now we have it on an aftermarket charger. All the connections in here are solid, and the gas tank is off now so that we can check all the other connectors, and they're all solid too. The sound from the relay, I'm going to hit the start button now. That's what I get, and it won't turn over. The starter is all the way down there. Kind of hard to see, but it's behind the exhaust right there. The starter is installed right there. You can see it connected to the chain, and there's the flywheel. And not easy to do this, but you can see that you can turn it over by hand so the engine isn't seized up.